Here comes the unstoppable Big Six, the Toyota Land Cruiser. World's toughest four-wheel drive.
All new 2022 Land Cruiser GXR with all the best features and all the best new technology with this vehicle. Today we're going to try the new crawl control system of the new Toyota Land Cruiser. As you can see, with the sharp edges, with the beautiful looks. And today here in the hot desert in Dubai, we're gonna go inside and check the new crawl control system. I'm Fahad Mansour. Welcome to my channel. Thing about the new Toyota Land Cruiser is the multi-terrain select, which is just by selecting the terrain you're in, and it will automatically just turn off any sort of system like cause collision or any sort of that. Bismillah. Mashallah. As you can see here, the whole car sinked into the sand. The car couldn't move forward or backwards. Now we're gonna try the new crawl control system. Now we put the car on normal. We put the car on low range. As you can see, it will appear on the dash. It's on 4 low. Now we press the MTS, multi-terrain system. By returning the knob, you can choose sand or mud, which we are in sand right now. After choosing the sand terrain, you put it on D and then press the crawl control system and lift the brake and let the magic happen. And by turning the knob, you can adjust the speed of the crawl control system. Just as you can see here, I'm not doing anything, just the car will do its work. After the car finished its work, we put it on normal, and then we turn off the crawl control system, and we turn off the multi-terrain system, and enjoy the ride.
Turbo power.